Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Meet Mercedes Digital. This is another installment of our regularly scheduled broadcast, and today, not only are we coming to you digitally, we will also be exploring digital topics. This episode covers the new generation of Mercedes Me apps, and while these resources have been around for several years now, they get comprehensive updates for 2020. And to talk about these apps, I have the new head of Mercedes Me and Digital Services Business at Daimler, Matthias Weitel. Thank you for joining me.
Hi, Yasmin. Thanks for having me on the show today.
Matthias, it is my great pleasure, and we are all very curious to find out what is the new generation all about.
Innovation is part of the DNA of our company, and we want to live up to this claim of pioneering spirit also when it comes to digitalization.
Okay, so what does that mean exactly?
Well, as you know, the whole world is now available to you on your smartphone, right?
Right.
We have made the world of Mercedes-Benz available too, from anywhere at any time. Mercedes Me provides our customers with a digital ecosystem of countless value-added services. You can do things like check your vehicle's data, activate and deactivate different services and features of your car, shop for connected services, or book service appointments. Basically, any service having to do with your car and beyond is made easier. We have already made so much possible, and with our new app version, we are able to add more every day.
That sounds intriguing, Matthias, and we're going to go into detail further later on. But first of all, how have your customers received all of this?
Well, good question. We already have over 5 million cars worldwide that are connected with our current app version. If that tells you anything.
Of course.
In fact, the Mercedes Me app is one of our most important digital products, and the new generation is being key to customer interaction in the future.
Now, we've already both mentioned this new generation. What is so special about it?
The new Mercedes Me app is the mobile extension of our vehicles. To start, they are highly customer-centric. We actually developed our new apps and features in close cooperation with our customers. We make it a point to listen closely to their feedback, and we also carry out our intensive testing with their involvement right from the beginning. And this has allowed us to achieve significant improvements in app usability and also in the app performance. We are not actually finished yet, but we are still working very closely within a cross-functional team with our development colleagues from R&D. This allows us to be able to offer new, tested features to our customers as quickly as possible. And the new app version lets us develop and add new features in a totally different way than we have it today.
All right, I think now it's time for us to have a closer look because Mercedes-Benz has actually developed a platform for all of this called Software Development Kit. And it is so integral to the Mercedes Me ecosystem that we have prepared for you a short and informative video to explain its relevance to the developer community. Let's have a look at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sindelfingen, part of the worldwide R&D network. In close cooperation between different R&D departments, we have developed what we call the Mobile Software Development Kit, or simply SDK. We were one of the first automakers to grant external software developers access to a platform like this in 2019. This is for us the start of a new generation of connectivity. Just imagine having the potential of using more than 1 million developers all around the world to offer the best services to our customers. This was the goal while developing the SDK. The SDK focuses on granting, through this platform, access to many vehicle functions to developers. This is done in a secure and guided way, similar to what the community is used to for smartphone application development. After a successful pre-launch at the IAA in Frankfurt last year, we from Mercedes-Benz R&D are very proud about the new app generation and look forward to sharing with you further updates.
And there you have it. Mercedes-Benz is harnessing the power of a global tech base, not only to develop apps, but to bring them to market very quickly. And Matthias, I think you have 3 main apps, so to speak, that you're going to introduce to us now.
Indeed, the whole Mercedes Me app family consists of 3 purpose-built applications. Each of them are built for a different use case for our customers and for a great journey to them.
Okay, so we want to know more. What are those apps?
Yeah, so the 3 core apps are first the Mercedes Me app, which you see here. There is all the functions. You get individual topics, tips and tricks for your car, and for sure also the topics of your car individually. Secondly, there is the Mercedes Me Store app. Within the Store app, actually you can upgrade your car with additional digital services, additional equipment. You can buy things for your car and you can customize it like you want it. And that's why we have built the Mercedes-Benz Store app.
And I can tell you enjoy Mercedes Me Store app a lot because you're smiling when you say that. You use that for shopping, I can tell.
Absolutely.
So we have Mercedes Me Store. What's the third app?
Yeah, so before we come to the third app, the Mercedes-Benz Store app will be a marketplace in the future. That's where we are currently working on. And as said, that our customers have also a lot of fun like I have here. So the third one is the Mercedes-Benz Service app. And the Mercedes-Benz Service app is actually made for a personal interaction of the customers and their individual dealership they prefer to. They can see also their vehicle status. They can see when the next maintenance is getting valid. They can see the warranty status. And if they want to, they can just book an appointment via the app. And on top of that, they can even watch some small tutorials or videos for minor repair works that they would like to do on their own.
So if they're looking to learn about becoming a mechanic, then they can do that there as well.
They can watch there some videos, absolutely.
Fantastic, Matthias. And I also heard that you have a very exciting world premiere coming up. And that also has to do with these 3 apps you've just mentioned.
Yes, actually by the world premiere of the new S-Class in September, we want to have all those 3 apps, the app family, so to say, available in more than 40 markets on a global level.
More than 40 markets, that's exciting.
Yes.
Now let's move back from the new S-Class to our beautiful EQC we have standing here. In relation to Mercedes Me apps and the EQC as the very first fully battery electric vehicle from Mercedes-Benz, what are the special functions you can tell us about here?
Yeah, I mean, this Mercedes Me app is always unique for your individual car. So every app, let's say, is unique to your car that you have here. And what we see, for example, here is this EQC on different pictures here. That is just right next to us, the beautiful silver EQC car. And you see here all the functions that we have. You can lock, unlock doors. And I would propose that we, for example, just start a use case. Do we have time for that?
We still have time. Go ahead, elaborate.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right. So
we're curious.
I would propose that we take the route trip and the route function within the app. And what you see right here, this is the map, and we see the distance in blue color, what the range is without charging the car.
Okay.
And if we would like to go to Berlin, for example, we just type in Berlin. Here we go. Here it is already, and we see how long it will take us. It will automatically calculate the route. It will make the proposal where you can charge the EQC and how long that will all take. So, and within that function, you get access here also to the different stations, and you see them here on the way.
So it seems very easy, very simple to be able to plan your trip ahead of time.
Actually, it's very easy. That's the goal of all our apps, that we make them as easy as possible for our customers. And we can now also send this address to the car from wherever you are. Usually we are at home or somewhere else, sitting at breakfast. Now we are right next to the car, but let's do it anyway.
Let's do it. Luckily, we're right next to the car. So why don't you hop on in, and then you can show us how it works in detail.
All right,
Please,
let's go.
I'll follow you with a bit of distance, of course. And you already mentioned something that is very important, of course, to every driver of an electric vehicle, the charging stations. They are actually automatically on the map, right?
Yes, they are automatically on the app. Let me press this button here, then we see already the address that I have just sent right now via the app. Berlin, here we go, and I can already start then the calculation of my route. And you said it, what is now actually added here to all of this is that we, within that calculation, that we see all the possibilities we are having. We see all stations, and actually we have access to more than 80% of all quick charging stations all over Europe, and we have full access to our Ionity stations for sure, where we have direct payment installed and all that topics, that it makes very convenient for our customers to use such a battery vehicle on the way to Berlin. And what we see here right now is this is the route to Berlin, and we see all the charging stops. And for example, the last one, if we take here, would be a 15-minute stop charging. And you go there, you can already see that this one is here also the charging station. And you can, if you want to, just start your charging right here within the car. You plug in and then you can leave for a coffee.
Leave for a coffee. That sounds fantastic when you're on the road. Take a small break, and very convenient, of course. And you also mentioned something just now that I think is especially interesting for the viewers, which is remote vehicle access. Could you give us a bit more detail about those functions?
Yes, I think vehicle remote access is for me the most fun. Yeah, this one means you can lock and unlock your doors. You can, for example, open and close the windows here. You can get access to the charging options that you have already from a remote part. And you can even preheat or pre-cool in summer times your EQC via this app function here.
I think that's something that everybody should have, a preheated car in wintertime. Matthias, shouldn't they?
Absolutely. Preheated
Wonderful.
car in wintertime, and in summertime, a cool car is also very nice, right?
Absolutely, absolutely right. So there are a lot of features you've just introduced.
Yes, there are already a lot of features, but actually for us, this is only the starting point. With the new SDK that have we seen also before, we are now ready to develop more and more features on a very quick basis, and we listen very carefully to our customers. We develop those features together with our customers, we test it with them, and we will make sure that we are able to excite our customers in the future.
Matthias, thank you so much for all of this insight. Would you like to step outside and
Sure.
join me in the studio once
Sure.
more?
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for joining us today, Matthias. That's all the time we have for today, but thank you for this deep dive into the world of Mercedes Me apps. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you also for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.